Today is Paul's birthday. He's turning 1. Today is Paul's birthday and we're having fun at the pool. Hi, Paul. Look at Paul. It's his first birthday. Yeah. We're gonna have a pool party. Rachel's in the sun chair. We're reading her books. And Caleb is getting his goggles on. And Joseph is eating lots of foods. What are you doing, Joseph?
I'm swimming, Mom.
Eating pudding. And we're gonna have a piñata. It's gonna be great.
And we're gonna sing da, 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 da.
Say hi to Abuelita in Mexico.
Hi, Abuelita.
Hi, Abuelita in Mexico.
Hi, Abuelita. Hi, Abuelita. Sorry. I'm gonna go eat.
We're having a good time. Vicente is having a good time.
Say Grandma this.
Okay. Grandma, dice Caleb que esto. A ver. Oh.
I see a wasp in the pool. That's
Wasp?
still alive.
Vamos a tener pupusas y Cristela va a venir a hacer pupusas salvadoreñas. It's gonna be a great time. Alrighty.
Just a wasp.
Rachel, what are you eating?
Popcorn.
Don't eat all the food from the gas.
Okay. Don't leave it.
Later, I'll show you the cake.